Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Pinterest for content strategy and evergreen traffic, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Pinterest for your content strategy, first, open the Pinterest homepage in your web browser. If you do not have an account, click on the Join button to create a new one. Fill in the required details to set up your account, including your email and password. Once your account is created, confirm your email address to activate your account. Next, log in to your Pinterest account. On your profile page, click on the settings icon to refine your profile details. Add a profile picture that represents your brand. Write a brief but engaging bio that describes your content focus and interests. Now, it's time to set up boards that reflect your content strategy. Click on the plus icon to create a new board. Name your board with relevant keywords related to your niche. Make sure to set the board to public, so others can find it. Start adding pins to your board by clicking on Create Pin. Upload images that are visually appealing and relevant to your content. Include a compelling title and a description for each pin, utilizing keywords for search optimization. You can also link your pins to your blog or website for driving traffic back to your content. Explore Pinterest to discover trending topics and popular pins in your niche. Take notes on what works well in your category and consider ways to adapt these ideas. Aim to consistently create new pins that reflect your content strategy. Engage with other pinners by repinning relevant content to your boards. This interaction will increase your visibility within the Pinterest community. Monitor the performance of your pins through Pinterest Analytics. Analyze which pins have received the most engagement and adjust your strategy accordingly. Focus on creating evergreen content that remains relevant over time. Schedule your pins using Pinterest scheduling tools or third-party applications. Regularly update and refresh your boards with new content. By following these steps, you'll build a strong Pinterest presence that can drive evergreen traffic to your content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.